everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and the other day Connor whipped up some jambalaya and he insisted that I make some cornbread to go with it. Now I haven't had much cornbread growing up, but I am proud to say that after a bunch of practice and one really bad baking incident, I finally got it figured out. So now let's make some easy vegan cornbread. Let's get into it. As with most bready things, let's start off with the dry stuff. In a bowl goes all-purpose flour and cornmeal. Flavor it up with some sugar and salt. Last goes a little bit of baking powder. Remember, that's baking powder, not baking soda. There is a difference, and believe me, if you use the wrong thing, it's not good. In a bigger bowl goes some softened vegan butter. You can microwave it to soften it if you'd like, but don't heat it too much. We need it soft but not liquid. Mix the butter with some almond or other plant-based milk until combined. Now add the dry into the wet and mix until the batter is smooth and uniform. Grab a cake dish and spray it down with some non-stick spray. Pour in the batter and even it out. Throw the dish into a 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Use the trusty toothpick poke test to see if it's baked all the way through. Let the cornbread cool a little bit before cutting out a slice and plating this dish. Now, cornbread is often served with honey, but in keeping this vegan, I'm using maple syrup. Now, a lot of people's concern with cornbread is that it's all grainy from the cornmeal, but this is not that at all. The texture is perfect and soft, and it gets a lot of sweetness from both our sugar and our maple syrup. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what recipes you want to see down in the comments. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any future dishes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
No!